In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the min function in DAX, a handy tool in Power BI for finding the smallest value in a dataset. Whether you're trying to identify the least expensive sale, the earliest order date, or the minimum value between two expressions, the MINX function provides a straightforward solution. Let's dive deeper into how this function works, along with a few examples to illustrate its versatility. First, let's look at the basic functionality of the MIN function. When you use MIN with a column, like this, MIN, it scans through the column and returns the smallest value, taking any current filter context into account. This means that if you have any filters applied in your report, such as through visuals or slicers, they will affect what the MIN function returns, making it dynamic and responsive to your analysis needs. Now, consider a scenario where you have two expressions. You can use MIN to determine the smaller of the two. This is particularly useful when you have measures and want to compare their results. Additionally, if your column consists of dates, applying the MIN function will return the earliest date, which can be quite handy for tracking order start times, the beginning of sales periods, and more. For more flexibility, there's the MINX function. It allows you to evaluate an expression over a table and then select the minimum result. We'll see how this works shortly. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you have a table named Sales with a numeric column called Amount. Here, you can use the MIN function to determine the smallest sale amount like this. Min sale amount equals MIN sales amount. This expression will give you the smallest amount recorded in your sales table, again, always considering any filters applied through your report. Next, if you have an order date column in your sales table and want to find the earliest order date, you would use this expression. Earliest order date equals MIN sales order date. With this, the MIN function swiftly identifies the earliest date, aiding in understanding your chronological data better. Now, what if you need to compare two measures, like total sales and total costs? You can do this with min of 2 equal min, total sales, total costs. This returns the smaller of the two measures, assisting in cost comparisons or performance evaluations. Finally, let's explore how to use MINX. This function is powerful when you want to perform calculations across each row of a table and then find the minimum result. Take, for example, calculating the minimum unit price from your sales. Min unit price equals MINX sales, sales quantity. Sales unit price. Here, MINX goes through each sales row, multiplies quantity by unit price, and presents the smallest product of these calculations. By incorporating the DAX MIN function, along with these examples, you can leverage Power BI's full potential, providing significant insights into your data. Whether identifying the least costly item, the earliest transaction, or comparing calculated values, the MIN function streamlines your analytical tasks. Keep this tool in your toolkit for efficient data analysis, and you'll find your workflow in Power BI becomes more effective and insightful.